a bunch of years back, another couple of manufacturers started trying to build boxes that they called mic lifters. And the mic lifter's job was to ostensibly turn a passive mic into an active mic by giving it some kind of phantom powered circuit that would boost the gain. The biggest one of those most people would know would be a cloud lifter.
Yep.
I'm very, very familiar with the cloud lifter. I actually worked for that company for a little while.
Yep, that's right.
So I actually helped build that brand, and I'm very knowledgeable about how it's worked. I'd actually like to take the minute to show you this right here is in fact a cloud lifter circuit board. This is the entire insides of a cloud lifter. These two are cast coating JFETs. What they do is they turn the signal up. Now, as I said, this is supposed to be an active circuit. However, the cloud lifter specifications, I can get technical for the recording guys, right?
Hey, let's geek out. Let's geek out. I love to geek out.
This is an easy thing to understand. The cloud lifter says that it's up to 25 dB of gain.
Okay.
Depending on the preamp combination, right? It's because this responds to impedance load. So most of the time, you're not going to get 25 dB. Plus, it's got a 3K ohm load built into it itself. So they're one of these people. There are other people besides them that call this neutral. There is no such thing in audio as neutral. Anything, anywhere, period. You're in a room. It's the characteristics of the speaker it's coming out of. There's no such thing. Anyone who's telling you that is trying to sell you something. Everything has a sound to it. Anyway, the reason I showed you this is because we decided to come out with one ourselves. However, as the people who invented the active circuit, we had a greater obligation. So I'd like to take a minute to show you our mic lifter. This is a dBooster. The dBooster has more circuitry on the bottom than the entire cloud lifter. This is an actual active circuit. This does not respond to impedance. You will get either your choice of either double the volume or quadruple the volume with this, no matter what microphone preamp combination you've got. 20 dB is 4 times the volume and really loud. Me personally, I use this on with a 121 on my piano, and I run it at the 12 dB setting, which is a little more than double, because there's so much more air and headroom. Headroom, guys. I'm not going to be the first or last one to tell you. Headroom is the king of the known universe. It's how you keep dynamics in music. And please keep dynamics in music. Here we have the dBoosters themselves. This is the same one as this with a little switch on it. Basically plug, play, feed it phantom power. This over here is a little bit more fun because this one is 2 dBoosters in one box, the DB2, but it's got a Neutrik combo jack combination. Okay, so you can plug 1/4 inch in as well as XLR. Well, why would you want to do that? Well, if you plug microphones in, you still have twice as loud, 4 times as loud. If you plug in a drum machine, a guitar, something like that, when these are in, it's 0 dB. So all it's doing is sweetening the sound with the preamp that's in here. Okay? If you put them out, you get +8. So you can get a little bit of a boost out of them, but it's +8 or 0. And these are independent. So I can put a guitar in this and a microphone in this, and they work independently. These cost a little bit more than your average mic lifter, but
there's a little bit more going on.
One of these things is not like the other. Without getting complicated, what's this? It's this, but better. It's not just louder, it's better. This is the audiophile mic lifter.
Hey Dave, I love it. That's fantastic. Thank you so much for breaking all that down, getting technical, getting nerdy with it. Awesome. I really appreciate you taking the time.
It's my pleasure. Always good to see you.
Always good seeing you, brother.